Hello friend, I am Rajguru Rajesh, Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering Department, Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kolkata. Today we are going to deal with kinematic indeterminacy or degree of freedom, DOF, degree of freedom. So kinematic indeterminacy you may call as DKI. So let's see first the type of support, and according to support how the degree of freedom changes, that we are going to deal. So first support is fixed support. So this is one is one figure, support A, which one is a fixed. So at fixed support there is a reaction Fx, vertical reaction Fy, and moment about A, let's say Ma. So three unknowns are there at the support A. That means what? When load come on this member, let's say this one is a member AB. When load come on this member AB, this support fixed support resist all these three type of a reaction or induce all these three type of a reaction. That means this support not allow the translation in x direction, translation in y direction, also rotation is not allowed. That means what? This support not allow this member move in x direction, move in y direction, and rotate in xy plane. So that thing is not allowed in case of fixed support. So that means what? Degree of freedom. So freedom is not there in x direction, in y direction, and also rotation is not allowed in xy plane. So freedom is not there, that means degree of freedom is equal to 0. Or you can say freedom along x direction, you cannot move along x. So your freedom is not there, so 0. You cannot move in upward direction, freedom is not there, that means Fy is 0. And also you cannot rotate about this xy plane, that means this moment will be a 0. That means degree of freedom is equal to 0 in case of fixed support. Now let's see hinge support. So this is symbol of hinge support. Again same member, let's say AB member is there. Because of the load coming on the AB member, what happened? This member resist horizontal or create horizontal reaction, and also there is a vertical reaction along y direction, let's say Fx and Fy. So this support A not allow translation in x and y direction. Okay, so that is your hinge support. It not allow the translation in x and y direction. Okay, so but in case of rotation, it allows the rotation in xy plane. So rotation is allowed in xy plane. Let's say mxy. That rotation is allowed. So that means degree of freedom, rotation is allowed. You may show like this. So this one is your degree of freedom. Let's say theta A. Okay, this line indicates slope. So because of the loading, this member may be deflect like this. So there is rotation about A. So this rotation is allowed in case of hinge support. That means what? There is a freedom. There is a freedom of rotation in xy plane. So that's why degree of freedom is equal to 1. What about the translation? Translation along x and y direction is not there. So that becomes 0. So degree of freedom is 1. Let's say theta A. Okay. The next one is a roller support. So let again say AB is one member. A is supported with the roller. Okay, resting on the hard surface, let's say. So beauty of roller support is that it resists the vertical reaction along y direction. So roller support allow motion in x direction. If this one is your x direction, roller support can move along x direction, and this member can bend or rotate in xy plane. If this rotation is theta A, because of this slope, the moment may create or rotation may create, let's say theta A. So there is a rotation in about A. It may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. It depends upon the loading. So there is a rotation. Let's say theta A. There is one rotation, and second thing is there is a translation along x direction. Let's say ux. So two things are allowed. So you can move. If you are a member, you are AB member, you can rotate yourself about in a xy plane, that means theta A, and you can move along x direction. It may be this side or that side. So you can move along x direction, you can rotate in xy plane. So two things, you are free to do the two things. That means degree of freedom, you are free to rotate. That is if you have to measure your freedom in term of some unit, so that freedom is measured in term of a degree. Freedom is measured in term of a degree. So that means theta A, first degree of freedom. Second degree of freedom is your translation in x direction. That means degree of freedom is 2. So degree of freedom is 2 and theta A and ux. Okay. So this is about the degree of freedom. Now we will see internal hinge. Internal hinge. Now let's consider this one is a member AB. Member AB having internal hinge in between, and now let's apply one load on this internal hinge. Let's say there is vertical load on internal hinge W. Because of the application of this vertical load, what happened? This internal hinge will get moved. So there is some deformation. Okay, this two member will get, if these are the two member, they will get, if these are the two member and here is internal hinge, it will get open like this, or it will bend like this. So this one is a one segment and it having a slope with respect to horizontal, let's say theta 1. The second segment having a slope with respect to the horizontal axis, let's say theta 2. So you can measure this freedom in terms of a rotation, let's say theta 1 and theta 2. Okay. Now that means degree of freedom is 2. Theta 1, theta 2. Now second thing, if this point, your joint is here, your internal hinge is here, and it become now here because of the application of load. So there is a vertical deformation or translation in downward direction. Let's say the translation is uy. U means that's translation, and y means in along y direction. So let's say uy, and there is a translation in along x direction. So that translation, initially your hinge is here, and after the application of load it is here. So there is a translation along x direction. Let's say ux, translation u, and axis is x, that's why ux. So how many degree of freedom now? Ux, uy, theta 1, theta 2. So 4 degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is equal to 4, ux, uy, theta 1, theta 2. So for internal hinge, degree of freedom is 4. Are you getting? This is how we have learned degree of freedom for different type of support and internal hinge. Thank you for watching the video.